Hi everyone, I wanted to show you these cute antique little puppets I picked up from my local antique shop. They were thicker dust, and so I'd set about cleaning them. What I did is I just got a dry cotton bud. I didn't put any soap or water or anything on the cotton bud, just nice and dry, and just used it like a little micro mini duster. And what I did is I just used it to dust off the face, because the face was filthy. I used it to dust off some of the cloth as well, but later on I used something else for that. But the main point was just to get the dust off. Then I got some low-tax sellotape and just dabbed that over the fabric to get the dust off. And in the end I actually used a lint roller. It's not a very sticky one, it's not a very good one, so I used that. The hair looks like it's made out of real hair. It feels like quite coarse real hair. I've never felt anything like it, so I don't think for a minute it's synthetic doll hair. As you can see, her head lifts up and down on the stick, but it's all nice and secure because the main supporting stick goes all through into the body. The body's made of wood, and the rod in the middle is made out of metal. Then what I did was I took a lint roller and just went over the doll's body like this, just to lightly remove the dust from the fabric, just to make sure that it's pretty dust free, so I don't sneeze every time I use it, because dust makes me sneeze and cough. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just being very gentle. It didn't damage the material at all, didn't damage the the puppet's hair or anything. But it just nicely removed all that dust and everything, and just gave her a bit of a clean up, so that she wasn't so filthy, because she was thicker dust, really thicker dust. If anyone's got any recommendations on what I can use to clean the material a bit more thoroughly, let me know, because for now basically all I've done is just wipe down the surface of the fabric, and I would like to freshen up the fabric a little more. So yeah, that's me cleaning my little antique puppet. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.